Hello guys, today Emma. Check out everything new. In the brand new Rumble Guys event, like for example TV, Ain't It a Beauty, and Suze. Sorry for using AI voice. It's only for now. And we have a brand new pass. Go to my community post to vote yes, keep it yes, don't. Okay, this dance hits had new outro. In sounding Kinder. Brightest, let me text new voices. Comment which is best.
Now that we're done with that, let's see the new cosmetics.
Game crashed.
Oopsie tee hee hee.
Stuff in the item shop.
Man, this British AI guy won't shut up. Wait, what? I like unicorn. That 2000 ability tokens could be useful.
The new events.
Heth, old man, shut up.
And the Rumble Club map.
It's not its original, definitely original. Time to get the new pass.
You know what time it is.
I literally said it, old man. Now here we go. Who the fix are you? Okay guys, I leave the AI voting to you now. Here's some chill music.
This box was from the hub.